Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines. Today we're going to talk about number 2 of the 7 critical success factors of marketing. This one is actually going to be around conversion and conversion rates. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of a hypothetical out to you. Let's say, for example, that your business generates on average 100 leads a month coming into your business. Now, if you watched the previous video, you would have known that a lead isn't necessarily somebody who is going to buy from you right now. A lead is essentially someone who is interested in what you do or in what you have to offer. So you've got these 100 leads that are coming in, but let's say, for argument's sake, that at the end of the month, you're able to convert 10 of those leads. Essentially, your conversion rate is 10%. Now, here's where most businesses get it wrong. They may have 100 leads that are coming in, but they may only end up talking to 20 of those leads in the month and converting 10 of those leads into a sale. So that in their mind, the assumption is that their conversion rate is actually 50%. So here's why this is important to you. Because when we get to the end of the 7 critical success factors in marketing, we're going to show you a few strategies on how you can slightly tweak and slightly change and improve to create greater success in your business. Now, if you've got any questions or if you want to know more, or if you want to reach out to us, get in contact through www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au and let one of our consultants get in touch with you right now.